Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best silver minimalist hoop earrings for sensitive ears. The Gokeey 5 Pairs Small Silver Hoop Earrings Set. If you've been on the hunt for hypoallergenic, stylish, and comfortable earrings that suit both men and women, this might just be the perfect find for you. Let's dive right in. When you first open the box, you're greeted with 5 neatly arranged pairs of silver hoops in 3 sizes: 2 6mm, 2 8mm, and 1 10mm. This sizing combination is a smart move by Gokeey. It allows wearers to customize their ear stack, whether it's for a first, second, or third lobe piercing, or even cartilage placements. You can mix and match for a trendy asymmetrical look or go full matching mode for a uniform style. What makes this set stand out, though, is the material. Hypoallergenic 316L surgical stainless steel. If you've got sensitive ears, you know how important this is. These earrings won't cause irritation, redness, or discomfort even after all-day wear. They're lightweight too, almost like you're wearing nothing at all, but still sturdy enough to feel like quality. Design-wise, Gokeey kept it simple and elegant. These hoops are smooth, without any embellishments or sharp edges. Their hinge clasp mechanism makes them easy to put on and remove, even for beginners. That little click you hear when they snap shut? It's oddly satisfying and adds a level of reassurance that they'll stay put. Now let's talk practicality. These earrings are waterproof. Yes, that means you can shower, swim, or sweat in them without worrying about rust or tarnish. And unlike many budget-friendly options that dull over time, these retain their shine with minimal maintenance. From a styling perspective, this set is incredibly versatile. You can dress them up with a little black dress, or go casual with jeans and a tee. They complement both masculine and feminine styles, making them perfect for unisex gifting. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just a treat-yourself moment, these hoops are packaged well enough to impress right out of the box. Unfortunately, there's a shipping restriction to certain countries including India, so make sure to check your delivery options before ordering. That's a minor hiccup in an otherwise solid offering. To wrap up, if you're in search of durable, elegant, minimalist hoop earrings that won't irritate your ears, the Gokeey Small Silver Hoop Earrings Set is a top contender. What more could you ask for? Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.